we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I don't feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl Rachel. So as seen by the title down below, I'm gonna be giving you all an unboxing video. So please, I'm asking you to make sure that you drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell on all, so you never miss an upload, and remember to watch the ads when they pop up. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing today. So you guys can use my coupon code QUEEN5 so that you guys can get 5% off if you're gonna be making any purchase. Okay, so I am going to put all the important information in my description box down below, and you guys can head over there and look through and see what you would like to purchase. And remember now to use my coupon code QUEEN5 so that you guys can get 5% off. Okay, so without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright guys, so now we're gonna be opening the package now, so let's go. Package. Come from this and use it this way. Alright guys, so we're off with that now, so I'm gonna pull it now. So, oh wow. Alright, so at least I know I have them here for pop, which I enjoy doing, and them they're good for exercise in the finger. So anyway, so the brand here, so this is MCM. So alright, so I'm gonna take this out the plastic. Alright guys, so that's the bag. I'll give you all a close-up look. Bag. Alright guys, so this is a backpack. So alright, so what is it? We call MCM. Alright, so them send two card and a instruction book. So 2 card and an instruction book. Alright, do not put that in the mouth. Alright guys, so I like the bag here, little and neat. So it have 2 side parts, so one side here and then the other right here, which is good. It have a front part here. Hold on, let me take this out. Leave that there. Alright, so they put this in here, so see it there. So that's, and then this is how inside of the bag look. So it have a little part here, the side. Alright, so let me see how the straps look now. Alright, so it's strapped in here. Alright guys, so cute little nice bag. Cute little nice backpack bag. I don't know. I like how this feel. And it comes like the side part of this bag comes with here where you know you can clip on like a sanitizer or like a key ring or anything that you want to put on your bag differently. So yeah, want to tell me how I love the bag? Like I love this. So if it's a case where I will not be using this, I will just make Chloe use it, because the strap is adjustable. Like here, so can adjust bag. Yeah, here so can adjust. So if anything and me now I use this, we can just make Chloe wear it. So a nice MCM bag. So remember now guys, you can use my coupon code QUEEN5 so that you guys can get 5% off, and remember all of the information will be down below in my description box, okay? You drop your bag. So anyway guys, please remember to leave a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.